What's up, Sun Rays? I am getting ready to wash this hair. It is a 5th or 6th day old wash and go using the Alikay Naturals Creme Brulee. I used it a while back and got some good results, and so this is it. Getting ready to wash it this morning, and I just wanted to come on and just kind of show you guys my hair. Hopefully you can see it, but it still has a lot of coils in it, as you can see, and I would definitely be able to, can you see the coils? I would definitely be able to keep this hair another, day or two, if I wanted to. But I don't. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it just because I don't want it to get too tangled, and because I had such a good result with the Creme Brulee, I wanted to go ahead and try the Aloe Berry styling gel from Alikay Naturals. So I've been sitting here trying to get it open. She has the top on here tight. Might have to get my husband to open it. Okay guys, I'm back. I actually opened it myself. I went and got these little black grippers that I have in the kitchen to open up jars. And I put one on the top and one on the bottom. Whew, ran up the steps and I was able to get it open. So now it was on there tight. And I'm opening it because I want to see if the Frizz Whiz works with it. So the Sultana Coast Frizz Whiz is what I used with the Creme Brulee. So I want to see if it'll work with this. This is a very thin, let me see something. They're very similar in texture, but it seemed like the Creme Brulee was a little bit thicker, but then when I did them side by side, they felt very similar. So take some Frizz Whiz and some Aloe Berry. And it does okay. It does okay. So I'm gonna try to use this today. I will be back. Okay guys, so I am back and I've washed my hair. So now we're gonna start adding the Aloe Berry. I did add the Frizz Whiz in the shower, and as opposed to outside like I did the last time. So we're gonna see how these two work. So again, the texture is a very light texture, but it is pink. I got a funny feeling I'm gonna get this stuff everywhere, so I do have a towel here. So anyway, I'm gonna put it out here. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So this is what my hair is looking like with the Frizz Whiz already in it. And I hope these two mesh. I tried to do it in my hand and it looked okay, but it wasn't perfect. So we're gonna see. So I'm gonna take about this much and rub it together, and I'm gonna apply it to my hair. I think with the Curling Delight, I took a little bit and added it to the roots first. So let me do that too. And then I brought it down my hair. Okay guys, so what I will say, the difference I feel so far is that this doesn't feel as heavy as the creme brulee. It doesn't feel like it's holding my hair as well, but remember I added the creme brulee on more damp hair, and I added the Frizz Whiz kind of on damp hair as well, and this I'm adding on wet hair, so that could have something to do with it. But I'm going to put it on the roots first. Bring it down. Yeah, it doesn't feel like it's adhering as well. It does say that you can apply this to wet or dry hair, so it still should work because it does say you can apply it to wet or dry hair. I don't feel like my hair feels as good as it did applying the Frizz Whiz on damp hair. I feel like the Frizz Whiz felt better going on my damp hair than it did going on my wet hair. So guys, I do want to let you know that. And because of that, I feel like the application of the Curling Delight, the Creme Brulee Curling Delight, probably felt better, and it seemed like it went down the length of my hair more. When I bite up here, I could kind of pull it down. This, I feel like I'm having a harder time pulling it down the length of my hair. But it could be different if I was applying it to damp hair like I did the Curling Delight. So take that into consideration. So far it looks like it's pairing okay with each other. If I'm not mistaken, I do think, if I remember correctly, I want to say that I think I got a little bit more, my hair looked a little bit more shiny with the Creme Brulee while I was applying it than this, but I don't know, I could be wrong. It could be because that is yellow, which is going to probably look a little bit more clear on my hair than this, which is pink. So it could have something to do with the color too of the gel, leaving a cast. right guys, so you saw what I did. I'm gonna do this on the other 3 sections and I'll be back when I'm done. Okay guys, so I have finished adding the product to my hair all over, and this is what it's looking like. So yeah, we're gonna see. I did use almost all of it as well, just like the Creme Brulee. And I do feel like I was getting a little bit of pink on top, so I'm hoping it dries clear and I don't get a lot of pink flakes. So we are going to see. I don't know. We're gonna see. So yeah, I'm gonna sit under the dryer and I'll be back, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm back from under the dryer and my hair is dry. There are 2 little pieces right under here which always take forever to get dry, but instead of me sitting under there hoping that the heat would get through this, I mean, it's just like right here. I'm gonna let that just air dry because for 1, I'm hot. For 2, it's already late in the day. It is actually dinner time. So I'm just gonna let that dry the rest of the evening, and I'll come back tomorrow with my hair stretched, makeup and everything, and we will talk about the aloe berry gel and how I like it, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I am back and I have stretched my hair and this is what it's looking like. So what I will say about the aloe berry styling gel and the Frizz Wiz leave-in, they work well together. They did not flake. I don't have any flaking. So that's a good thing. I'll also say that this is a soft hold, just like the other one. And it feels moisturized, just like the other one. This one, I will say, the curls stretched a little bit easier, and I don't feel there's no crunch, but you know how I said the other one had like a little bit of hold just on the ends. These ends are kind of weird, guys. This side of my hair for some reason curled funny. I don't know if it's how I had it in my bonnet or what, but when I took it out they were all flipped up on one side. But anyway, I'll say that I think it's stretched a little bit easier, so I don't know that the definition from the aloe berry will last as long as the definition from the creme brulee. We'll just have to see, but it is not bad. It gives me big fluffy hair, movable hair on day 2. This is technically day 2 because I washed it yesterday. I just didn't stretch it yesterday, but some of you may consider it day 1. Either way, I have big fluffy hair, so I do like that about it. And Alikay Naturals have pretty good ingredients in their products. The only thing is I almost had to use the whole jar to get the desired look that I want for my hair, as and that goes for both jars. So I don't know. There are other gels that I've had to use almost the whole jar as well, but then there also are some gels that are 8 ounces that I don't have to use the whole jar. So I don't know about that. I don't know what that says. Yeah guys, that is it. I will be back on day 3 to show you what it looks like. Well, I'll be back in a couple days because technically today is day 2, so tomorrow will be day 3, and I don't know. So I'll probably be back in a couple days to show you how it's holding up. And yeah, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so real quick, I wanted to come on and show you actually I think this is 5th or 6th day hair. All I know is it's time to be washed, but it still has a lot of definition, as you can see. And it does have some frizz. It did not flake. Coils are still there. It just needs to be shaped up. I haven't done anything to it this morning, so except for take it out of a bonnet. So I am getting ready to get in the shower and wash it, but I wanted to come on and at least show you before I forgot. So there are still a lot of coils. See if it'll quit focusing on my eyes. There's still a lot of coils. In my hair. So yeah, alrighty guys, that is it. Do I like this one better than the lemongrass? I think I would still prefer the lemongrass a little bit better, but either one would work. Still no crunch. I have not re-moisturized my hair since I've had it in, and it is starting to feel just a tad bit dry, but it could be worse. So there you go. Now back to the video. Let me know what you think about this wash and go. Let me know if you've ever tried the aloe berry styling gel by Alikay Naturals, and let me know what you think about it. If you paired it with anything, let me know what that was as well down in the comment section below. And you guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.